In this video, I'll show you how to blur a face in the inShot app. Once you have the video uploaded, come down to this bottom menu and select Sticker. From here, choose Detail, and then this is when you want to drag the blur and cover the face. So you can either use blur or mosaic, but I prefer to use mosaic. You also have two sliders just above to increase the blur. Once you've done that, press the check mark and then drag the blur across the video. So we'll drag it to the end. Because the face moves in the video, we want to add tracking so that it blurs throughout the whole video. To do that, scroll across while having the blur enabled and press on tracking and press start tracking. It'll process. Press the X, and then if we come and replay the video, you'll see that the blur follows and tracks the face. So that's how to blur a face in inShot. Thank you for watching.